everyone, this is Jad. Well, in this video I'm going to share a very simple technique to get rid of mosquitoes. Now this is a really common spray you can get from any pharmacy or a grocery store or any common store, and you can use this spray to literally make the mosquitoes fall in mid-flight, or you can create traps for them and spray this solution on the traps so the mosquitoes are in one place and you can get it on that way too. Now this is a really common solution. It's the isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. You can get the 70% solution. You can get any kind of spraying bottle like this one. Fill this up and let me show you how you can use this. So basically open up the spray bottle and then just empty in the entire isopropyl alcohol solution inside the spray bottle. Lily, you want to get rid of the mosquitoes? Well, Lily does not like the smell of alcohol, so she takes off whenever I'm about to use the solution. Actually have her sit a little bit further away since she doesn't like it, and this is how I use it.
So I place a black bucket in the corners around my house, and mosquitoes love to be in a black bucket or anything that's darker in color, anything that's black. They love to hide inside of that. And then I just spray the black bucket with the alcohol solution. You can see the mosquitoes flying. And they will just drop right in front of your eyes while they're flying. Look at that. There's a mosquito right there that I just sprayed. Well, there's a mosquito I just got right there. Now let's do the same on this bucket. See, so many mosquitoes are flying out. Now let me show you how many mosquitoes I got. Check them out right there. You see them? Those are all mosquitoes. Look at them right there. And it's the same with the second bucket as well. Look at how many mosquitoes are at the bottom of this bucket. Check them out. Now this is a really good way to get rid of mosquitoes around your house and even in your house as well. Now this is how easy and how instant it is to get rid of mosquitoes around your house. Now if you're going to be using this, I recommend wearing a mask so you're not inhaling the alcohol while you're using the spray. Or if you're using it indoors, I suggest opening windows and using a mask as well so you're not inhaling the spray as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.